In looking at our void methods, we're going to look at all of them here since we're dealing with our main method in the static context. So keep in mind that as we're calling to it from up here, this is what it's going to perform. It will not return any information up here to perform a further calculation. It just does what it's supposed to do, and then that's it, because void means nothing, so it's returning nothing. So in this example, I have 3 different methods, and you can see that in NetBeans, if you want to shrink your methods so that you can see your program just one at a time, that's not a bad tool. So I'll do that for this. Our first method, again, simply prints out the word hello. I'm going to change it from a print line to print. I'm going to just add a space after so that our piece works. The next void method I made was just a spacer. It's a blank print line. We just put things onto a new line. The last one I made is public static void names with int x. So now that we have something in the parentheses, this means that when we call to it, we're going to place something in there, in this case an integer, to get the correct result that we want. So here we have 3 different options. If x equals 1, we're going to use the word Bobby, or print the word Bobby. Else if x equals 2, then we're going to print the word Susan. Any other number in there, it'll just print out the word Helen, and that's it. So this x becomes whatever we put in the parentheses, which you'll see here in a second. Notice at the end of each of these methods, I'm putting a comment saying that this is the end of that method. We need to do that to make sure that we keep our code straight. So now I'm going to go up here and build this. So we got the word hello, and I'm going to type the next method names, and it's erroring out because we haven't passed any information down yet. So let's take a look at our options again. In this case, I want the name Bobby, so I have to put a 1 inside of names. And now it's okay. We'll put our spacer. We'll run hello again, call to hello again. We'll do names. This time we want Susan's name, so we're going to do the number 2 inside. Can these numbers also be variables? Absolutely. We'll do 2 spacers to show a little difference. And then we'll do hello, which has nothing. And we'll do names. And any other number will give us Helen, because it's the else scenario. And we'll do one more spacer just to show it. So when I run this, it's going to just keep calling to those methods, giving us the exact details we want. So it gives us hello Bobby, did the spacer, hit enter. Hello Susan, we did 2 spacers, so it gave us an enter. And then hello Helen. And right there is a couple different examples of void methods.